Welcome to beautiful Arizona. So we are in Avondale. We're in the community of Crystal Gardens, which is a super cool little unique community out here in Arizona. We have these mini lakes throughout. So it's super cool. You get these walk-in paths. Some of them do allow paddle boats. Yeah, I'm not sure if there's fish in this one. I know some lakes have fish in them. I'm not sure if these are stocked, but this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, around $15.73 on the square footage. This gorgeous home right here was built in 1998. So as you can see, this home has a 2-car garage. Single-story homes surround it, which is nice. And again, with that lake being right out in front, no neighbors there. This driveway right here is a pretty good size. You definitely could fit about 2 cars there. And you have some desert landscaping up front. Home is in good condition, pretty nice condition for the age. Taxes on this bad boy, you're only at $16.63 a year. So if you're from the East Coast, I know that sounds kind of crazy. Not $16.63 a month, but $16.63 a year, which is pretty low when it comes to property tax. HOA on this bad boy, you are at about $50 a month. So that's not too bad. Sometimes the HOA fees, we see them up to $100-$200 a month, depending on the community. So pretty good price there. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, nicely updated. You do have this beautiful flooring right here. It is throughout the home, which is nice. As we walk through, you have this really good size area. I think they did a super nice job of separating it. I've seen it done many ways. They chose to do an office setup here with a family room in the front. I've also seen this set up as a family room in the front and dining area, a library. I've seen it set up as a whole office. So lots of options with this front area over here. And this one has those nice plantation shutters. So they're wooden shutters, all one piece. What's great about this is they do go up and down. So in the summer, when it gets a little warm here, you can put those up and keep the sun out a little bit more. They did a nice neutral gray in this home. So it has a good flow, a good vibe. This home is also a split floor plan, meaning the primary bedroom is back there and the additional bedrooms are up front. So we will take a walk to the front to check these rooms out. So right here, we do have a beautifully updated bathroom. So this is the 2nd bathroom in the house. They did a nice job with the upgrades, some shelving. This one will be a tub and shower combo. Bada bing, bada boom. And they did a nice gray cabinet down here. Again, the color choices are great, super neutral, everything's flowing. And you have one of the secondary bedrooms. They have a full-size bed in here. Definitely could fit a queen. So good size room, as you can see. And some ceiling fans. They did put ceiling fans throughout the home and the plantation shutters. So nice touches to finish it off. And we'll come this way to the 2nd bedroom. It is identical to the 1st bedroom I just showed you, so about the same size, same features, just a different color. This one's a more natural beige. And right here we got a storage closet, which is always great to have. You never can have too much storage. And we have a nice size laundry room right here. And the 2-car garage. Just a regular 2-car with an insulated door, some shelving. Hot water heater is out there. bedrooms, the bathroom. Come back out to the front area. So this is where you enter. And they have this back living area. It has a really pretty blue tile. So it's that glass tile, which looks really nice. And the granite is beautiful. So it has specks of grayish, dark gray in there. Stainless appliances, extra large cabinets. So these look like new cabinets. So kitchen has definitely been remodeled pretty nicely. And this is nice too when the sink faces out. Kind of still feel connected to everyone out here, which is great. Again, this is such a cool layout. So back here, they have the more like everyday living. Up here, you could make super fancy. So back here, you have this dining area. They have a large table with bench and 4 chairs. So, I mean, that's how much space you have. It's a great flow, great space. All right, so this is your view over here. Again, the kitchen opens right up to the dining and family. You could put some bar stools here if you wanted. You do have some depth under the counter. So again, it just depends on your style, what you want to do with the home, what makes you comfortable, what you need to do with the space. But it's a great home. This home is under $400,000, so a lot of bang for your buck with this one. And this couch, this love seat couch sectional, it is a pretty good size one too. A more wide one. I'm just trying to show you how much space you have in this home. Believe it or not, it's only 1,573 square feet. And you have double living space, open kitchen, split floor plan. Again, under $400,000. I love how the homeowners went through and did the same flooring throughout. This master / primary bedroom is a great size. You do have a king size bed in here. So you have plenty of space. You do have a large bureau, nightstands, and everything fits pretty good. And you have a nice view of the backyard. And again, everyone's choice, but behind here you do have another window, I believe. It could actually be a door. I won't know until we go outside. Again, this house is under $400,000. If it's a home you want to get a private tour on, you'd like more info on, please let me know. I'd love to represent you and be your buyer's agent on this beautiful, beautiful property. Good size master walk-in. So let's head out to the backyard and see what we got going on there. Screen doors in the front and back. See, we are back here. You do have a good sized patio. And bada bing, bada boom. It looks like you got a sliding glass door in the master primary bedroom, which is pretty nice. So lots of ventilation. They'd put a solar sunscreen on this window, will help keep that sun from beating in. We do have turf back here. And we have a small pool, which is pretty nice, easy maintenance. We would call this a spool. So it has self-cleaning in there. Just enough to get you wet and relaxed. I don't know if you've seen this, but it's an air-conditioned doghouse, which is super nice. So yeah, great little property out here in Avondale, Arizona. Again, if you're looking for a home, looking for a great location, something that you could move into that's affordable, this could be the home for you. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split floor plan, under $400,000. If you like this video and what you've seen, please feel free to like, subscribe so you get more. Have an awesome day.